Hello, this is CatEffect team from CZ2006 Lab Group SSP2. Now we are going to present you our Canteen Management System, CAMS. Firstly, I would like to show you how we start our server software using plain framework. We go to the server directory in the terminal. Type command play run. The server is now running on port 9000. Secondly, I will show you the system used by OFS staff. Here is the login form. OFS staff can log in our system using their accounts. If the username and password is incorrect, system will prompt error messages. Like this. After successful login, OFS staff will be able to see this well-designed user interface for managing system catalog. This sidebar clearly lists out the functions of the system to enable easy switching between different managing tasks. By clicking on the Stores button, OFS staff can browse the list of canteens and stores registered in the CAMS catalog. The tabs in the upper area contains all the canteens. By clicking on the canteen name, the stores currently operating in the canteen will be listed below. OFS staff can view the store information by clicking on the store name. Store information will be shown on the left-hand side. OFS staff can edit store information by clicking the Edit button here. For example, we edit the description field here and save the changes by simply clicking on the Save button. Now we can see that the store information is updated. Manager list of this store is shown on the right-hand side. OFS staff can create a manager account, edit an account, or delete a manager account. OFS staff can also view the menu of the store. And delete the store from the list. By clicking on the Accounts button, OFS staff can browse the list of customer accounts. Customers of CAMS include students, faculty, staff of BTU, as well as visitors. Students, faculty, and staff will use their matriculation cards to make payments, while visitors will get a prepaid card from OFS in order to use the canteen services. OFS staff can access the information of an account by scanning the QR code on the card or choosing it from the list, which will be shown later. Let's scan a card. A new window of account information will pop up. In this window, transaction history is shown on the right-hand side. Pop-up form is on the left-hand side. Select the correct amount and click Top Up. The account balance will update it. and top-up history is added to the transaction history. In the prepaid card list, OFS staff can view the history and top up the card using the same window shown to you after scanning a card. OFS staff can also generate the QR code of the card. The QR code generated here contains a unique random token instead of its ID. This is due to security consideration, since ID is visible to the card holder and other people. For the matriculation card list, OFS staff will not be able to create or delete matric card accounts since the list is retrieved from external university database. But OFS staff can view the history as well as topping up the account. Transaction is where OFS can see all the transaction records. OFS staff can choose only to see a specific canteen or a store's transaction records. For example, we choose to see Canteen 1 and store brushstroke. Report Center is where OFS staff can get sales and revenue information from. Choose the canteen and store, choose a year, and then a month. Click on Generate Report button. Monthly revenue report will be generated. System settings is where OFS staff can change the infrequent changes. For example, the canteen list, which allow creating, editing, or deleting a canteen. And managers, which allow creating, editing, and deleting a manager. Help Center is for future extension to add help menu to the system. By clicking on the Log Out button, the current manager will log out and go back to the login form. Thirdly, we are going to demonstrate how our system will assist store managers to manage their store in a more efficient manner. Typically, a store will use 3 computers. One is for a customer to view the menu and order food, which could be a computer with a touchscreen monitor. The second one is for displaying current order status for customers, which will be hung on the wall. And the last one is for store managers to view the incoming orders and update order status, which will be placed in the kitchen. Now, after logging in with a store manager account, we can see the managing interface. Now we see how to set up the store. Selecting Menu and Promotion. The store managers can create, or edit the menu and promotions here. They can create a category. Add a dish. Delete a dish. And finally, delete a category. In each dish, we can set up the dish's name, image, description, listed price, and promotional price. The promotional price can be set to activate it during a certain time of a day. If the start time is later than the end time, the system will treat the end time as in the next day. We can also add options for each dish, separated by a straight line. Or items in the menu is sortable. Store managers can simply drag and drop the items to rearrange them. The new arrangement will be saved automatically. In the dashboard, the store managers can choose to enter the customer order mode for displaying orders. Or the order status mode for displaying orders in waiting list and ready list. Now, enter the customer order mode. A full screen window will pop up, and we can see the store menu. Items with a star here indicate that they are in the promotion period. Customers can select the dish, input the quantity of the dish, and the options, and click Add. The dish ordered will be shown on the bottom area of the screen, as well as the total price. Click Check Out. The system will open a scanner to scan a prepaid or matriculation card. If the balance of the account is sufficient, current balance and order detail will be displayed. Different groups of customers may have different discount rates. If the account has insufficient balance, error message will be shown. If the new balance of the account is lower than $5, a notification asking for top-up will be shown after payment. Since the order mode is displayed full screen, only store managers can use keyboard to exit these two modes and return to the managing interface. After successful payment, the order will be shown to the current order list for store managers as well as order status mode. When the food is ready to collect, the store manager can update the order status to ready. The order status mode will auto-refresh every 5 seconds. Customer knows that their food is ready and come to collect. After collection, the status will be changed to served. And the order will be removed from both two lists. So this is how our system can help stores to manage orders. Additionally, clicking on Report and Records, Store Manager can generate the monthly revenue report of its own store. As well as browsing records of past orders. In the Store Settings section, we can set the name and background image of current store, as well as the different discount rate for different group of customers. In the manager list, we can add, delete, and edit managers of the current store. By clicking Log Out, we will go back to the login form again. So this is the end of our demonstration. Thank you for your time.